Welcome to DIY and Fix It. This is a 33 kVA Olympian generator. As you can see, there is alarm. First I'm gonna reset the alarm. I'd like to show you the symptom and how the engine stalls. Now I'm going to start. Look closely at the parameters, see what happening. This is a Power Wizard 1.1. Wait for few seconds. As you can see, it started and immediately the engine stalled. Let's reset the warning light and see what occurred. Engine speed sensor erratic/lost. Let's inspect the sensor to figure out what has occurred. Is the sensor itself failed or something else? Today I didn't came with my wrenches. I'm gonna use adjustable spanner to loosen the sensor's nut. I should have unplugged the harness first. You guys don't forget, first unplug the harness. Spin the sensor and remove it for inspection. Wow! It is really dirty. Look closer, see how dirty it is. Let's clean it and check. I don't think this is a bad sensor. After cleaning, definitely, I'm gonna put it back. Use a screwdriver and a marker, measure the gap between the sensor and flywheel tooth. Insert the screwdriver in the sensor's housing and make sure you feel the flywheel's tooth, and then put a mark on your screwdriver. Everywhere in the offices houses this ruler available. Use a ruler and after the mark I did at the flywheel. I'm going to count up to 4 millimeters and put another mark. It is very simple, just need to be careful, don't miscalculate. Sorry guys, I could not capture the numbers on my ruler with my camera. Now I'm gonna hold the screwdriver horizontally with sensor and put a mark on the sensor. Please remember, I'm not measuring from the first mark, make sure don't get confused. Measure from the last mark I did and put a mark on the engine speed sensor. After putting a mark, spin the sensor's nut up to the mark and tighten the sensor back at the flywheel. Gently spin the sensor until the sensor's nut touches the surface around the sensor's housing. Tighten the sensor's nut. Next, connect the harness. Reset the alarm and start the engine. And watch closer, check the engine overview. Run the generator for 3 minutes. There is. Now the sensor is reading well. See the engine RPM, no need for a new sensor. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you up, don't forget hit the subscription button.